Um, have you ever tried to enjoy a peaceful moment only to have it interrupted by an unexpected intruder? That's exactly what happened to Drake during his stay in Sydney. But there's more to this story. Um, Picture this: Drake, the Canadian rap sensation, is in Sydney for his Anita Max Win tour. He's looking forward to some downtime in his luxurious apartment at Crown Sydney. Little does he know, tranquility is about to take a hilarious turn, and the drones worked. Also, our drone flow and Drake's balcony soon just similar in wrapping from main events to the sequence. Um, it's like something out of a spy movie, except this spy is armed with a camera, not a gadget. Drake, caught off guard, uh, spots the intruder and decides to take matters into his own hands. And in a moment of quick thinking, um, Drake grabs a vibrant orange slide and throws it at the drone. And that's maybe the slide sails through the air, but alas, misses its target. Uh, the drone, seemingly startled, zooms away into the Sydney sky. And the video of this unexpected encounter quickly goes viral. This fans speculate whether it's a clever promo for stake, a digital currency casino. Drake collaborates with Bader. And some even joke about his sliding skills, comparing him to a single mother fighting a spider. With one commenter quips, "I just know he let out a soft anime grunt when he threw it." It's hard not to chuckle at the mental image. Drake's drone drama isn't his only Sydney highlight, and he also helps a fan quit his fast food job and even does a baby gender reveal on stage, offering $50,000 to a pregnant fan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Um, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more entertaining stories like this.